Why do your feet freeze after 10 minutes on the bike, but are usually fine when hiking? Cycling shoes are usually far too tight for winter. Too tight means poor circulation. And poor circulation means even colder feet. Heat needs air and space, not pressure. When hiking, your feet are constantly working. Muscles pump, blood flows, heat is generated. On the bike, your feet do nothing. No movement, no pumping, no heating system. My perfect winter cycling shoes are work shoes, neither tight nor stiff. Cycling shoes are perfect for summer, but a disastrous choice in winter. What else helps? Move your toes. Stand on the pedals occasionally while riding. Your blood flow is nothing more than a built-in underfloor heating system. Bonus pro tip: put your shoes on indoors with warm feet. Getting cold feet warm is hard. Keeping warm feet warm, a piece of cake.